Safety of my sister.
She's not your real sister. She's a stranger to you and she'll always be one. I tried to help you by killing her.
I know that! You should know this isn't easy for me.